Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I want to do today guys is show you this drop shadow effect within Adobe Photoshop. As you can see, the shadowing behind this label thing that I've created looks really realistic, and what I want to do is show you the process of how to create a realistic drop shadow within Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so what I need to do now is open up my layers, and I'm just going to select the two top layers here by pressing Shift and pressing Backspace to delete them, like so. And now I'm just going to start off with my original design. Now, as you can see on the thing I've created here, the drop shadow effect has been labeled. Now, if I right-click on that drop shadow, I have the option to create a layer. Press OK. Wonderful. What's happened here now is your drop shadow has been created in its own individual layer. And now with that layer highlighted, I'm now going to press Command T on Mac or Control T on Windows to get our transforming options open. And you can see at the top of the screen here, we have this option here, which allows us to switch between free transform and warp modes. So I'm going to start warping, and we're going to warp like this. So I'm going to take this point down here. Let's say, let's bring it up there a little bit. Take this point here. Bring that up maybe there as well. Maybe bring these in. Attack here like so. Maybe bring these up instead. Out there. There. And when you're happy, guys, if you tick option up here, or simply press Enter. And as you can see, we have really created that realistic shadow effect now within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, as well, guys, there are recordings that are coming out on a weekly basis, so please make sure you take a look. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.